Men, we must hunt down the Mongol leader! Everyone, with me! More Mongol dogs! Cut them down! Mongol reinforcements!
We're all that's left.
There's only one path for us. Find the Mongol leader and end him here.
I'll fight beside you to the end.
I know.
Someone was sharpening their blade. A warrior. My armor. Broken. But better than nothing.
Wait!
Mina.
Shh. Not now. Shit. Get down.
Let's move.
This way. Wait. There's nothing we can do for her.
But I can save the others. Lord Shimura was with me on the battlefield.
The Jito? Forget him. Under here.
Butchers.
Look out.
Raiders.
Through here.
Move.
Shit. They cleared the road. If we cross, someone's bound to see us.
I'll take that chance.
Wait. The car. Now. Come on.
More guards.
We'll take the rooftops.
You climb roofs, scavenge battlefields. You're a thief.
When I need something, I take it.
Like my katana.
I traded it for food and medicine.
You what?
Don't worry. We'll find the buyer. Get your sword back. We've got a long ride ahead. Take whatever supplies you can carry.
This is someone's house.
And they're not coming back. The man I traded your sword to lives just up ahead. Toro! Shit. Bastards found him.
Stand watch. I'll search the house. They will answer for this.
Maybe they hid your katana inside.
They must be here.
Let's see what you've been practicing. Try to strike me.
Yes, Uncle.
Attack! I am ready. Try to strike me. Show me Jin Sakai is a warrior of great courage. Break my block with a heavy attack, then strike quickly. Enough! I yield.
You let me win.
Not at all. If you held a real sword, I would be dead.
Really?
I would never lie to you, Jin. Now for a change, try to block my attacks. I will not go easy on you. Hold your blocking form. A fine block. Good form.
I'm sore. Can we take a break?
We're not finished yet. Find your resolve and fight through the pain. It's time you learn to parry. Wait for me to make the first move. Once I strike, block my attack. Don't block too early. I've seen enough of your blocking stance. You can't hide behind your sword forever. Save your energy. Fine parry. Dodge my spear, then follow up with a counterattack. Good reflexes. I am vulnerable after attacking. Excellent counter. Excellent dodge. Remember, dodge, then counterattack. You have a small opportunity to strike. Use it.
Good. You found the sword.
Where can I find a horse?
The stables aren't far. This way.
More riders.
Islands crawling with them.
Where are the stables?
Behind that burning farmhouse. Follow me.
Face me, invader!
close.
We can't save everyone.
I'm done running, and I can finally help.
Damn it! More guards.
Don't let anyone escape.
Stables are just up ahead.
Ямар ч удлаг одоо.
Let's get to the horses.